Hello, we're here to show a demonstration of how to reinstall the cable into our cartridge, whether it's a new cable or you're running a cable that you've already ran down the drain back into the cartridge. So how we're going to do that is we'll get our empty cartridge here, put it on, get it to lock in place. We'll pick up our bare end, slide it through, and you want to go in between the two rings and pull a little extra through here. And then you take your anchor, slide it into there, and you'll take your long extension wrench, put it in there, hold it in place, and then you're going to tighten it down, give it a little twist, and then you're good to go. And then you continue to feed the cable in until it's totally full. And that's how you reinstall the cable into the drum.